Hey everyone, in today's video we'll see about AI-based to-do list prioritizer using Python and Google's Gemini AI. This tool takes your tasks and organizes them smartly based on urgency and importance. Literally an AI that helps you plan your life better. Here's what we are building, a simple web application where you enter your daily task and the AI instantly sorts them into four categories: do now, schedule, delegate, and eliminate. It even displays the results as checkboxes so you can track them easily. Let's walk through the code and see how everything works step by step. We start by importing the essential libraries. Streamlit builds our UI, Vertex AI connects us to Google's Gemini model, and Re helps us parse the AI's output neatly. Next, we initialize Vertex AI with your GCP project ID and region. Then we load the Gemini 1.5 Flash 001 model, which is perfect for quick, lightweight generation. Don't forget to enable Vertex AI API on your Google Cloud console. Then we set up the Streamlit UI with a title, description, and icon if you need. This is where the user will type their task one per line, which means line by line. Once the user clicks the button, the app builds detailed prompt and sends it to Gemini. You can see the detailed prompt here. The prompt instructs Gemini to act like a productivity expert and format the response in clean Markdown. We send the prompt to Gemini and get the response text. Here we use regular expression to extract each category and the corresponding task. Finally, we show each category with checkbox for the task. Let's see how it actually works. I'll enter few tasks and click prioritize. Now you can see the list of tasks prioritized based on its urgency and its importance. If you want it as an Android application, you can build using Android Studio. That is another platform where you can use with a proper Android UI instead of Streamlit. For presentation purpose, I use Streamlit. And also there are like other open source transformers available in order to prioritize your tasks instead of using Gemini. If you don't have any subscription or API access, you can use those open source transformers. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.